I am Elias Hezron, and for this hackathon, we are presenting to you OneRAMP. So OneRAMP is an off and on ramping solution that allows you to be able to on ramp and off ramp crypto for your users. So this is our landing page. We support multiple chains, and it's very easy to set up. And we have a quick guide here, a quick tutorial on how a user can be able to set up OneRAMP and be able to call the APIs and off-ramp and on-ramp their customers. And the API is quite easy. So we have created an NPM package that the user installs and then passes in these credentials, and we also support Mumbai. All these are in the testnet phase. And after that, the user can just call ramp.offramp and then pass in the phone number, the token address, and be able to off-ramp. We are supporting stablecoins for now. OneRAMP has also built a money streaming service. So the money streaming service, this is the dashboard. The money streaming service is to allow the users to be able to make routine payments to their clients or to their customers or to the people who work for them. And what you need to do is to create, you connect, this will prompt you to connect your wallet address, and then you can create a stream, and you select the address you want to stream with. So if the other user gives you an address, you select that address. Let me get a random address. Let me get this probably, and take this back here. So I want to create a stream with this person, and I will stream one DAI per month. So if I set this up, after a month the person will be paid, and this is supported by Superfluid. So let me check if the transaction has succeeded. Yeah, so after the transaction has succeeded, the transaction should be able to reflect here. And maybe in case you are done with that and your contract has come to an end, then you can as well be able to stop the transaction, and the person won't be receiving the payments every other second. Yeah, so let me just check this out. This is still happening. Okay, so yes. Okay, so after the money streaming happens, then it will appear here, and you're able to stop that transaction. We have API keys that allow you to be able to call the ramp function and off ramp and on ramp your money. Yes. So this, yeah. So the transaction has appeared here, and maybe if your contract is done, then you can go ahead and just stop the transaction, input the address, confirm, and then this transaction and your agreement has come to an end. Yes. So while we wait for that to process, we have this section here of transactions. So what this does is that every time this API is called, the transaction list is going to appear here, and depending on the status of the transaction, it will simulate here. We have also built a simulator. So this simulator is to simulate notifications. So since we are making payments, and if the developer is testing out the application, they can test out the application by inputting here a phone number, and they connect, and after that they'll be able to see the payments as they happen. That's the presentation for OneRAMP, and yeah, looking forward to it. So this money streaming, since we removed that, I'll sign in with my GitHub, and okay, yeah, basically that's it. Thank you very much, and just checking out this.